Good day, everyone. I am Annalyn Blanca Patricio, and today I will be presenting to you the task 5 of my final project. It is showing that it is a permutation group. So first, let's get the permutation. Let alpha A to be the permutation for rotations. So for do nothing, we call it sub 0. For do nothing, since it is staying the way it slopes, then it is 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, 5 to 5, 6 to 6, 7 to 7, and 8 to 8. Then for our two move rotation counterclockwise, we have alpha sub 1 is to 8, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 2, 4 is to 3, 5 is to 4, 6 is to 5, 7 is to 6, and 8 is to 7. Then for our three move rotation counterclockwise, we have alpha sub 2, 1 is to 7, 2 is to 8, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 2, 5 is to 3, 6 is to 4, 7 is to 5, and 8 is to 6. Then for our four move rotation counterclockwise, we have alpha sub 3, we have 1 is to 6, 2 is to 7, 3 is to 8, 4 is to 1, 5 is to 2, 6 is to 3, 7 is to 4, and 8 is to 5. So for our 5 move rotation counterclockwise, we have 1 is to 5, 2 is to 6, 3 is to 7, 4 is to 8, 5 is to 1, 6 is to 2, 7 is to 3, and 8 is to 4. Then for our 6 move rotation counterclockwise, our alpha sub 5, we have 1 is to 4, 2 is to 5, 3 is to 6, 4 is to 7, 5 is to 8, 6 is to 1, 7 is to 2, and 8 is to 3. Now we move to the 7 move rotation counterclockwise. We have alpha sub 6. We have 1 is to 3, 2 is to 4, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 6, 5 is to 7, 6 is to 8, 7 is to 1, and 8 is to 2. And for our last move rotation on the front, we have the 8 move rotation counterclockwise. We have the alpha sub 7. 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 4, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 6, 6 is to 7, 7 is to 8, and 8 is to 1. Now, let mu be the permutation of the line of symmetry. So, for vertical line or vertical plate, we have the mu sub 0. We have 1 is to 1, 2 is to 8, 3 is to 7, 4 is to 6, 5 is to 5, 6 is to 4, 7 is to 3, and 8 is to 2. Now, for our right diagonal flip, we have the mu sub 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1, 3 is to 8, 4 is to 7, 5 is to 6, 6 is to 5, 7 is to 4, and 8 is to 3. Now, for our horizontal axis opposite side, we have the mu sub 2, 1 is to 7, 2 is to 6, 3 is to 5, 4 is to 4, 5 is to 3, 6 is to 2, 7 is to 1, and 8 is to 8. Then for our lower right diagonal plate, we have mu sub 3, 1 is to 4, 2 is to 3, 3 is to 1, 4 is to 8, 5 is to 7, 6 is to 6, 7 is to 5, and 8 is to 2. Then for our horizontal plate, we have mu is to 4, 1 is to 5, 2 is to 4, 3 is to 3, 4 is to 2, 5 is to 1, 6 is to 8, 7 is to 7, and 8 is to 6. Now for our lower left diagonal flip, we have the mu sub 5, 1 is to 6, 2 is to 5, 3 is to 3, 4 is to 3, 5 is to 2, 6 is to 1, 7 is to 8, and 8 is to 7. Then for our vertical axis opposite side, our mu sub 6, we have 1 map to 3, 2 map to 2, 3 map to 1, 4 map to 8. So for our vertical axis opposite side, we have the mu sub 6, 1 map to 3, 2 map to 2, 3 map to 1, 4 map to 8, 5 map to 7, 6 map to 6, 7 map to 5, and 8 map to 4. And then for our last line of symmetry, we have the last diagonal flip. Our mu sub 7, 1 is to 8, 2 is to 7, 3 is to 6, 4 is to 5, 5 is to 4, 6 is to 3, 7 is to 2, and 8 is to 1. Now this is the list of all the permutation and group from alpha sub 0 to mu sub 7. Now let's check if alpha sub 1 star alpha sub 1 is really equal to alpha sub 7. So we have the alpha sub 1 and alpha sub 6. So 1 is to 3, then 3 is to 2, so 1, 2. 2 is to 4, and 4 is to 3 is 2 is to 3. 3 is to 5, and 5 is to 4 is 3 is to 4. 5 is to 7, and 7 is to 5 is to 6. 6 is and 6 is to 7, 7 is to 8, and 8 is to 1. Therefore, it is true. So for alpha sub 2 star mu sub 4 is equal to mu sub 6. Let's check and verify. 1 is to 5 and 5 is to 3, then 1, 3. 2 is to 4 and 4 is to 2, then 3, 2, 2. 3 is to 3 and 3 is to 1, then 3, 1. 4 is to 2 and 2 is to 8, then 4, 8. 5 is to 1 and 1 is to 7, then 5 is 7. 6 is to 8 and 8 is to 6 and 6, 6. 7 is to 7 and 7 is to 5 is 7, 5. 8 is to 6, then 6 is to 4. It is 8 is to 4. So therefore, it is true that alpha sub 2 star mu sub 4 is mu sub 6. Next is alpha sub 5 star alpha sub 3. Let's check if it is really alpha sub 0. So for 1 is to 6, then 6 is to 1, 1, 1. 2 is to 7, and 7 is to 2, 2, 2. 3 is to 8, and 8 is to 3, 3, 3. 4 is to 1, and 1 is to 4 is 4, 4. 5 is to 2, and 2 is to 5, 5, 5. 6 is to 3, and 3 is to 6, 6, 6. 7 is to 4, and 4 is to 7, then 7, 7. 8 is to 5, since 8 is to 5, and 5 is to 8, then 8, 8. So therefore, it is true. So for mu sub 0 star mu sub 5, let's check if it is alpha sub 5. So 1 is to 6 and 6 is to 4, then 1, 4. 2 is to 5 and 5 is to 5, then 2, 5. Then 3 is to 4 and 4 is to 6, then 3, 6. 4 is to 3, since 3 is to 7, then 4, 7. 5 is to 5 is to 2 and 2 is to 8, then 5, 8. Then 6 is to 1 and 1 is to 1, then 6, 1. Then 7 is to 8 and 8 is to 2, it is 7, 2. And 8 is to 7 and 7 is to 3, it is 8. So therefore it is correct. So this is the permutation table. So this is the permutation model. Now let's prove if this table form a binary structure. So but first we will prove that it is closed under the binary operation star. So upon performing the operation, I found out that this is closed under the binary operation of star. Now we will prove that it is associative, but first we will rotate this table into 180 degrees. So as you can see, I already rotated it on 180 degrees, and Here in the table, we will interchange the column or row. So first, we need to interchange the alpha sub 6 and alpha sub 2 for the column, and next is the mu sub 5 and mu sub 1. Then for the row, we have interchanged the a sub alpha sub 5 and alpha sub 1 and mu sub 6 and mu sub 2. So now let's check if the binary operation has identity. So based on the table, the identity element is alpha sub 0 because any element that you will pair to the identity element, the result is itself. So therefore, identity exists. Now we will prove if the binary operation has inverse. So as you can see on the table, the alpha sub 1 or the inverse of the alpha sub 1 is alpha sub 3. The inverse of alpha sub 2 is alpha sub 6. The inverse of alpha sub 3 is alpha sub 5. Alpha sub 4 is alpha sub 4. Alpha sub 5 is alpha sub 7. And the inverse of alpha sub 6 is alpha sub 2. And the inverse of alpha 7 is alpha sub 5. So for the line of symmetry, we have the inverse of mu sub 0 is itself as well as the mu sub 1. Then for the mu sub 2, the inverse of it is mu sub 6. Then at the inverse of mu sub 3 to mu sub 5 is itself. Then let's move to the mu sub 6. So the inverse of mu sub 6 is mu sub 2. Then for the last line of symmetry, we have the mu sub 7. The inverse of mu sub 7 is itself. So does it form a group? First it is closed, next it is associative, then it has identity element and inverse element also. So since this table satisfied all the conditions, therefore the permutation forms a group structure. That's all. Thank you so much for listening.